time frame. So giving me this particular aggressive or aggressive sell and aggressive buy on 15 minutes, it might be one candle. But on lower time frame like 3 minutes or 1 minute, it will be maybe something like structures. So I wait for the market now to retrace back into the fair value gap, then tuende nalo. Kawaida tu kama kawaida, we keep it simple and we make money. In Forex, keep it simple and bank manager always will be your friend. So you keep it hard or maybe you complicate everything, then at the end of the day, you'll keep on crying and crying and crying. So keep it simple and your bank manager to be your friend. So any pair, as we wait for this one, I think I'll have to use the alarm as we wait. So you can still give me a different pair. We analyze pamoja. If the third candle is momentum one also, you can still do it. You can still trade with confirmation. If it's a breakaway gap, you can still do it. So GU, can we do GU or Euro card? Gold, this is gold. So for gold, we are still waiting. We are waiting for an opportunity for gold because we still have this particular liquidity. You see this one? We are waiting for the market to take this particular liquidity out. If so. So on lower time frame, because on 1 hour, the market has already tapped in this particular fair value gap, respected, and it's going up. Again, this one was tapped in this particular fair value gap, the market respecting. So let's tap, guys. Let's tap to 30,000 kindly. That is the only love you can show back. Kindly, let's tap kindly. Let's tap kindly. Thank you for the gift. Let's tap. Thank you for the gift. Let's tap kindly. Munifikisha 30,000. Msininyime taps. Msininyime taps tafadhali. Tafadhali msininyime taps. Mi si mchoyo by the way. So ukiwa mchoyo na taps, only taps. Taps only. You can't even tap. Surely. Give me even 100 taps everyone. Kila mtu atupatie at least 100 taps. Itakuwa tu sawa. So let's tap. So this is 1 hour. We are in the range, daily range. This is the swing high of daily. Then hello Kaching, hello the engineer. Yes, classes. Yes, I'm lost. I'll get you back. No worry. Okay, so let me go back to 15 minutes. Someone is telling me I'm lost. I'm waiting for the market to tap into this particular fair value gap. Then we sweep this particular swing high, which is a daily range. So I'm waiting for the market to do what? To give me a tap into this particular 15 minutes. Because you see the market giving us the fair value gap, respecting like this one. You see? Third candle, small body. You see this one? Third candle, small body. A tap, then you jump in a buy to end nalo. So I'm waiting for the market to tap into on lower time frame, giving me a sharp turn to end nalo. So don't chase. Don't just click buy, just wait. Nimetengeneza, hey Florence, you mean serious? Catching today nimetengeneza $700 with your strategy. Be blessed, bro. Really? Florence, let me pin your comment. Are you like for real or you are joking? Are you joking or are you for real? Florence, $700 using with your strategy. Be blessed, bro. Amen. Let me receive the blessings. Amen. Keep winning. Yeah, for real. Yeah, my strategy is very, very powerful. That one I cannot like deny. My strategy is very, very powerful. That is why they closed my accounts. My strategy is one of the best strategy. With proper risk management, you make money. So I'm happy. I'm happy for you. Congratulations and keep winning. Keep winning and keep winning. Florence, keep winning. Winning is our priority. So keep winning every day. Catching is one of the best strategy. I'm telling you for a fact. Catching is one of the best strategy. I'm telling you. I'm also seeing another FG below the one tapped. Can you explain further, please? Okay. So this one is already like wherever. So If the market maybe comes back into this particular swing low, it will be up to this particular low, not the fair value gap like maybe the remaining part. No, it will be coming for this particular, maybe the early bias. I don't know, but I'm waiting for this one. I'm waiting for this one. $700 from our strategy. Wow, 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 wow. They closed your account. Yes, they reported me and they closed my 2 accounts, the TikTok accounts. They closed them. This is my new account, in fact. I think it's 1 month old, if I'm not wrong. They closed my main and backup account. But anyway, maisha lazima iendelee tu. To understand Forex, please. I joined Forex just recently to 2022. I joined Forex 2022, but learning yangu ilikuwa very powerful. I was learning mchana na usiku. Sikuwa na school fees. Yeah, I lacked school fees. That is why I'm doing this. I'm doing it for free because I'm trying to assist someone who doesn't have the school fees. Because mimi kuna watu walikataa kabisa kunifunza and I think the cheapest alikuwa ananiuliza 35,000 na hiyo pesa sikuwa nayo. So it was so painful na nikasema nikijua hii kitu nitaonyesha watu free. It was so painful. Nikajaribu alikataa na sio peke yake. Kuna mwingine alikuwa analipisha by then alikuwa analipisha 60,000, kafika mahali akapandisha mpaka $1,000. Bado nilijaribu kumfuatilia nikasema kama huyu it's like mom, acha nikamfuatilia nikajaribu, but alikataa bado. So it was so painful. Nilikuwa natamani kujua Forex because the guy who gave me this particular business, shida tu alikuwa anipatia mimi, nia yangu tu alikuwa aniambia you buy here, you sell here, hivyo. Alafu ingine nikamwambia sasa hiyo ingine aniachie. So that is why mnaona nakuja live and I'm doing this thing for free because niliteseka tu na niliteseka vya kutosha, na nikasema enough is enough. Nikijua hii kitu, the little I have, I will give it out for free. That is why I do it every day on Google Meet and on TikTok. We can still trade live. I do send like the PDFs for free. I don't charge because someone somewhere alikuwa tu anasema like kama hauna $1,000 na sina hata viatu. What do you mean? Sina hata viatu unaniambia ati $1,000. Strategy, the catching strategy, sweep of liquidity, fair value gap, then you jump in. So I'm here. So kama huna mtu wa kukusaidia, I'm here. I'm here free. Ng'ang'aneni kabla nichanuke. Nikichanuka so mnajua nitaanza kuachana na hii maneno. So tupambane hii kitu. So I'm still waiting for the market to tap into this particular area. Don't chase. Let's wait for this particular fair value gap for the market to tap in to give us like a chance. Let me check the lower time frame. Yeah, so let's wait on 15 minutes. Nichukue kwa your classes. Yes, so uko kwa group kwanza. Catching is turning lives around. Yeah, Bernard, asante sana. Kuna FEG kwa 30 minutes. Let me check. Is that gold? Yes. Let's tap. Tuko wengi, wacha tu tap. So yeah, on 30 minutes, this is also an FEG, and you see on 30 minutes the market giving us this particular fair value gap and tapping into respecting that particular FEG, meaning the argument of bias is on top notch. So nimekuona high, so meaning this particular third candle, I'm waiting for the market to tap in this particular market fair value gap to give me a confirmation. So no confirmation, no trade. No confirmation, no trade. Simple. Give me a confirmation, then I take a trade. You don't give me a confirmation, well and good. I move on. I protect my money. Everything we do in Forex, nothing like 100%, guys. Nothing like 100% in Forex for me. So let's do it. Be blessed at catching. It's rare to get a mentor who's spoon feeds his students this way. Oh, thank you. Great work, sir. Thank you. What is the confirmation? Confirmation. Let me show you the confirmation. For example, let me show you the confirmation. Someone is calling me. Oh no. Someone is calling. Watu ni wachoyo by the way. Watu ni wachoyo. Mimi namkata alafu anapiga tena like really. Sasa akipiga tena na mblock. Ama wacha niweke to flight mode. Kwani niweke to flight mode. Niweke to flight mode. Kwani shida, kwani tuende nalo. Sio kesho saa hizi. Bora unipigie simu nikiwa live. Okay, strategy name Kaching strategy. Okay, for example, let me show you something. Let me check if there is something here. Let me show you something. Aha, I see it. Let me go back to 30 minutes. So this is 30 minutes. Let me show you the confirmation. My only top mentor who made me start making money, Matthews Jr. Oh my days. So let me show you the confirmation for those who are asking about the confirmation. Let me show you from this particular area. Let me show you from here. So the same thing is going to happen here. The same thing is going to happen. Hizo PDFs mtu anatoa wapi? I will send, just DM the number on the bio. I will send it for you. I'll send it to you free of charge. You pay nothing. So let me show you the confirmation. Kuna mtu ameniulizia about the confirmation. Let me show you. The confirmation. How to confirm an entry. You see? Let me show you. You see this particular candle? Third candle. It's a small body. You see this one? An aggressive candle, and this particular fair value gap is from a fair value gap, so it makes it to be more powerful because it is a fair value gap from this particular fair value gap. So very, very powerful. So you see this particular